Hi, it's George from Motobyo again. Here today to give you some tips and tricks to take the best photos of your vehicle when you're listing it for sale online. To start with, you're going to walk around the exterior of the vehicle in a clock-like circular motion, taking photos every 6 or 8 or 10 feet, making sure to get one from every angle. Then we're going to switch to the interior of the vehicle. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to start with a dashboard shot. You want to make sure that your vehicle is running, so you see if you've got navigation or a backup camera or something special like that you want to showcase. You get your first picture of your dashboard, and then we could go around the interior of the vehicle in the same way, making sure to get all of the seats, including your driver's side and passenger side bolsters. After the interior of the vehicle, we're going to move back outside, take a picture of the trunk, and then an underhood picture. Then you want to make sure that you point out anything that's special about your vehicle, anything that's a unique option, something that you want the next potential purchaser to take a look at. On my vehicle, I've got LED headlamps and I've got an AMG Sport package. So I make sure to take a picture of my headlamp and of my AMG wheels so people understand exactly what I've got. In addition to that, I want to make sure that I take a picture and point out any potential flaws that could possibly turn a customer on or off to my particular vehicle. On this one, you see I've got a chip here on the bottom of the front bumper, which I've had there since the car was nearly new, and I've never bothered to get fixed. So I'm going to take a picture, show the next person all about it. Thanks for watching our video, and make sure to keep up with all the Motobyo tips and tricks on our How It Works section at motobyo.com.